I wanted to do a real quick video about a topic that has been bugging me, and I did some quick research on YouTube. I didn't find a whole lot of videos about this, so I thought, well, maybe make a quick video about this topic, and that is, where have pop-up headlights gone? Hey guys, welcome back to One Fast Streetcar. I'm Jude, and I wanted to give a real special thanks to the YouTube community. It's been 3 weeks, about 5 videos, and we reached 100 subscribers yesterday. I can't tell you how proud I am of that. I know a lot of YouTubers are sitting there laughing at me like 100 subscribers, are you kidding me? But I wanted to say thank you because it means a lot that I've had the support and the videos are getting a lot of likes and a lot of comments, and I really appreciate that. So I urge you guys to keep watching and continue to boost me to do more content. So I'm gonna give you a little history. So this car's a 1987 Conquest. The trivia question is around what was the first car to ever have a pop-up headlight. So I'm gonna give a One Fast Streetcar hat away to the first person that can comment the answer. And then, of course, tomorrow in my review, I'll announce who that was, and we'll go from there. But where have they gone? And why haven't they come back? It's kind of like a trend or a fad, but in reality, it's about safety, it's about regulations and things like that. The first car came around in the 1930s, I'm going to give you that hint, but it ended in 2004 with the Corvette and the Lotus Esprit. Those were the last cars to have pop-up headlights. And my question to you is, what do you guys think about that? Guys, I know there's a lot of videos out there that have a lot of historical information around pop-up headlights. That's really not what my intention of this video is. It's really just to get a little talk going, a little discussion about, where did they go? Would we like them to come back? And we know that, again, I said it before, they did go away because of safety regulations and things like that. They were afraid that if they were popped up and somebody hit a pedestrian, that it would cause more damage to a person. I know that sounds crazy. Plus, the rising cost of manufacturing definitely played a part in that as well. There's gears in there. There's the idea of them not functioning properly, and what does that do for somebody at night? So I know that there's reasons why they stop, but just aesthetically, for a sports car, a car that is really not driven, I'll say every day, or for most people, they're everyday cars, some of them. It's a really cool thing to have. It's something that I wish that they would bring back, or they could find a way to bring these back. And again, it's just a cool thing when you get in the car and these just pop up. It's getting dark out and boom. There's just something cool about that. It's like Doug DeMuro when he's like, this little quirk, and this is a cool little thing, a little gadget. This is a gadget. This is like a guy's fidget spinner for his car. I don't know how else to describe it, but that's what it is. And there's something cool about this, and there's something cool about getting in a dark parking lot and putting on your cars, and boom, there goes your headlights popping up. I really enjoy it. It's something that is really cool to me. What do you guys think about that? Is this something that's cool to you? So again, I know it may be a corny subject to most people, but I know to us car enthusiasts, it's something that we think about, or maybe I'm making you think about it right now. Thanks a lot for joining us today. I know the subject may be a little corny for some, but for me it actually means something because I've had this car for a long time, and the pop-up headlights have always been something dear to my heart. I wish more cars would have them. Don't forget the trivia question. What was the first car to have a pop-up headlight? Put your answer in the comment below. The first person that gets it will get a free hat, and I'll ship it to them. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you tomorrow with the full review of the 1987 Conquest. Take care.